It's time for the last day of the year weather report. Tomorrow, I have to remember to change the day and the year. Let's take bets in the comments if I remember. Heavy lake effect snow is going to be reinforced by an Alberta clipper heading into the new year, along with a likelihood of snow squalls from the Ohio Valley to Pennsylvania and western New York. Rain associated with an anomalous low pressure system from the tropical latitudes is forecast to bring the threat of flash flooding for southern California on New Year's Eve and into New Year's Day. And Arctic air will be reinforced across the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes, and the Northeast, while a quick warm up does emerge across the Great Plains. Temperatures, West Coastlies were in the 40s and 50s for most of you, 69 down by the California-Mexico border. Mountain states, lots of 30s and 40s from the Canadian border all the way down into the southwest, and then 71 down by the Arizona-Mexico border, 61 by the New Mexico-Texas border. Plainsy poos, we've got teens and single-digit temperatures up in the far north, but quickly by the time you're in South Dakota range, it does go into the 30s all the way up into the 50s, and then those 50s and 60s continue all the way down from Nebraska through Texas, tip of Texas at 70 degrees. Midwesties, we've got lots of teens in the Great Lakes, teens and 20s, and then right below that it gets into the 40s. The 40s continue through the Tennessee and Kentucky valleys, and then around the Gulf is in the high 50s and 60s for most of you. Northeast in the teens and 20s, and then a little bit warmer on the Atlantic itself in the 30s. 45 by the time you get down to Virginia, 48 for the Outer Banks, 51 for the Carolinas, and then 56, 59 for Georgia and Florida, 66 at the tip of the Peanuts. McMurdo Station on the Ross Sea in Antarctica sitting at 28 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's really sunny with barely any wind, just 6 miles per hour from the north, giving you a real feel of 28 degrees, and it's going to be 28 and 30 for the rest of the day. Quite balmy. Alaska, not a lot of precipitation on the map to report at the current moment. You are still receiving blustery winds and very low temperatures. Let's look at your daytime highs. New Year's Eve highs for the last frontier, -6, 7, and 8 on the Arctic Circle. For the interior, as low as -46 for your daytime high. That's the warmest it's going to get for the day. A little bit warmer on the coastlines. You've got some single digits and up as high as the 30s. 43 to 35 for the Aleutians. It's positively balmy. It's like the banana belt out there. And then 28 to 19 near Anchorage. 14 for the Panhandle. Hawaii, you've got some high surf advisories on various islands, especially in the west, and then small craft advisories around the east, and especially the Big Island. Moderate to locally breezy trades are focusing showers over windward slopes as high clouds diminish today. Dissipating front will move across the islands tonight and into Friday, leading to an increased rainfall, stronger trade winds, and drier, windy weather favored by Saturday, and maybe increase in showers for Sunday and Monday. We'll keep an eye on that. Daytime highs for New Year's Eve on the island chain in the high 70s to the low 80s for most areas. All right, let's party, but in our houses, because we're hermits. That's me. I'm a hermit. Don't let me speak for you. If you're going to go party, have fun. But the rest of us are partying like this. Okay, I'll see you in the new year. That's the joke we make at the end of the year. I'll see you in the new year. Bye!